Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in today's interesting great website to get unlimited virtual number for Russia, I'm going to expose to you guys some top 5 websites that you guys can use to get unlimited free virtual phone number to verify for online for free. Maybe you need it for Russian website. This is a very great tutorial for you. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. And but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about online free resource, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see some of the great websites that you guys can use to get unlimited virtual phone number for free. So the first one I have for you guys right here is sadaman.com. That's the website. So when you get to the site, it's opened up this way. So you can scroll down and read more information about the site. So they have free trial, they have premium option. So you can start with their free trial. So if you're enjoying what they are doing right here, you're enjoying their service, then you can upgrade to premium. So you can see free trial right here. You click on free trial, or you come to service at the top here, then click on SMS or phone numbers. So when you click on SMS, you are going to see all the country phone number that you can use their all the country that you can use their phone number for SMS verification. So you can see it right here. So about 25 countries that you can use their phone number for SMS for free. So you can see this the country right here. So the first one I have for you guys as far as this is concerned. So let's take a look at the second one I have for you guys. So the second one I have for you guys right here is tollfreeforwarding.com. So when you launch into the site, all you have to do is to come high here and select Russian Federation, Russian toll-free mobile enable, then click on free trial. They're going to prepare you with your free number, and you're going to be fine by using the number. So you can, if you don't want to use their free trial, skip free trial and click on buy now. Then you can buy the number and use it for your online verification for free. So what are the things you can benefit if you use this particular phone number for virtual phone number for your online verification service? These are the stuff you can do. Choose a number, activate the number. So this is take you just 3 minutes, then receive calls and receive calls and SMS, etc. So these are the things you can benefit from using this particular website service for virtual phone number. So let's take a look at the third one I have for you guys as far as online virtual phone number is concerned. So the one right here is called epopu.com. So this website also offer a great stuff about online verification. And one great thing about this site, they have instant customer support. Right here, you can chat them up if you have any issue as far as this is concerned. So if you are looking for a mobile number or for SMS verification for free, all you have to do is to navigate to the top right here. And so you navigate to the top right here and choose. Okay, you have to scroll down. You scroll down to the top, to the bottom. Sorry. So these are the country they offer free phone number for. So get international phone number, US toll free number, virtual number, virtual UK number, toll free number, South Africa, Brazil, etc. So you can click on more to see more country as far as this site is concerned. Click on more countries right here. So if you click on more country, it's open up in a new page whereby you see more countries, virtual phone number or online free toll number that you can use for free. So these are the list of country. You can just scroll down and see more and more. And the number of available number, so you can see the available number is written under each of the country. So if you are interested in Russia phone number for online verification, all you have to do is to scroll down and look for Russia. So right here, they have about 8 active number for Russia online verification virtual phone number for free. So this is what I have for you guys as far as callhiphop.com is concerned. So let's take a look at another one without wasting much of our time. So right here, another one I have for you guys here is tenum.com. .net. So this website also offers a great service in terms of virtual phone number for calls and calls, SMS, and fax. So these are the stuff you can do with their number. Okay, so you can create a free account with them or sign up today with your information. So right here you can use their number in about 90 countries and 605,000 cities in the world. So these are the places you can use their phone number to do SMS or calls and etc. You can scroll down and see available countries. So you can see at the top right here, so available country. So available country, you can scroll down and see at the bottom right here. So right here, you are interested in Russia phone number, select Russia, you are good to go. So let's take a look at another one I have for you guys. So right here, another one I have for you guys is secondline.io. This site is very straightforward. All you have to do when you log into the site, select your country code, country phone number, and when you select a country, you will be provided a free phone number. Then you can use it for online verification. So you can see the list of countries right here. There are many countries that you can use as far as this site is concerned. Where can you use their phone number? So this is another thing you need to see. So right here, these are the platform that you can use this site phone number. You can use it on Shopee, Telegram, Lazada app, etc. on Facebook at a very token fee. Okay, so you can scroll down, you can see you can use it on Netflix. So you can scroll down and see more places by which you can use this particular site phone number. You can use it on eBay, and you can use it for Google. You can use it for your Gmail account. You can use it for YouTube account, just for online verification, either for call or SMS. You can use it on Skrill, PayPal, and GPay, and that is Google Pay, etc. You can see you can even use it on Payoneer. So this site here is very good site that you guys can get online virtual phone number for free or at a token. So you can start with your free premium, free trial. Then if you are satisfied with what they are doing, then you upgrade to premium package as far as this site is concerned. You can see, so they have a lot of places that they cover as far as they are concerned. So you can as well talk to their customer support right here, start chat with them if you have any question or you have something that is not really clear to you as far as the site is concerned. So this is what I have for you guys as far as secondline.io is concerned, and this is all the packages I have for you guys as far as get online free phone number for Russian online verification, for Russian online verification for free online website. So I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about online free resource like this, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.